Hey, my name is Florian. I'm the co-founder of Spentys. Spentys is a platform that enables medical professionals to leverage the power of 3D technologies to create custom-made orthoses and prostheses. An orthosis is a device that will immobilize or support the patient's limb. And a prosthesis is a device that will completely replace the patient's limb. We started the project 5 years ago with my colleague and friends Louis-Philippe Broz. Louis-Philippe is in charge of all the business side of the company, and I'm in charge of all the technical aspects of the company. I have a background in biomedical engineering, and I've always been passionate about ways to improve the quality of life of patients suffering from orthopedic disabilities. And when I saw the traditional workflow, the traditional process to manufacture those custom-made orthoses and prostheses, I was really shocked. And so we had really to innovate and improve again optimize this workflow to at the end create better product for the patient. That's why we came up with the Spentys idea and solution. Spentys is very easy to understand. It's a platform that enables, again, orthopedic technicians to use the 3D scanning technologies to get the measure, the dimensions of the limb of the patient. It's also a platform to design, to model the orthopedic devices, so the custom-made orthoses or the custom-made prostheses. And at the end, it's a platform that is connected to 3D printer to manufacture those custom-made orthoses or prostheses. So it's a three-step solution from scanning to modeling to printing, all centralized and gathered on a platform to easily implement the solution inside medical institutions, and so make the technologies accessible, available for the orthopedic technicians and so the patients. And at the end, you have a product that is much better for the patient. It's more comfortable, it's light, it's waterproof, and so it really improves the quality of life of patients suffering from orthopedic disabilities. The business model is very easy to understand. There is a fixed fee for the orthopedic technicians to access the technologies, access the platform, and then there is a variable fee. And depending on the number of orders they submit on the platform, the variable fee increases. So we have helped to treat more than 10,000 patients worldwide. We are selling the solution in more than 15 countries, very actively selling the solution in those 15 countries. We have salespeople in Germany, we have salespeople in Brussels, and also here in the US, we have hired 2 people here on site to really help us scale the business in the US. We have also an office in New York, and we really want to grow in the US. We have already signed major institutions like Mayo Clinic, which is the #1 hospital in the world, and we want to again grow the solution. We know the added value of the solution. We know that there is a big potential for the US patients, US orthopedic technicians and medical professionals to access the technologies. So it's really time for us to really scale here in the US. So anyone actually interested to get in touch with us to help us scale the solution, it can be investors, VC, can be medical professionals, hospitals that want to reach to learn about the technologies, feel free to reach me. Thank you very much and I hope to hear from you very soon.